guys. Okay, before I do anything else, I need to give a shout out to Miriam from Miriam's Nature, one of my favorite YouTubers. She is the most precious thing, and every time she laughs, I get the biggest smile on my face. Okay, I got this idea from her, and it's an attempt. All I had was, she did hers with a star, but all I had was this little flower one. And as you can see, I snipped it in half accidentally. The plastic broke when I used my tin snips on it. So I used my wood burner to weld it back together in those two places. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see how this works. I'm completely unsure what it's going to look like, but I'm using leftover paint, so that's an iffy kind of thing as well. But let's get to it, okay? I think first, oh dear, I've knocked my white paint over. Alright, so while I'm scraping this residue back in my cup, let's see here what we're going to do. I'm sure this is real exciting for you guys. But this is me. I make a mess no matter what I'm doing. Spills everywhere, food, paint. That's just part of being me. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit of white. And this is left over from some of the pours that you guys have seen me do. So let's pour that in. Let's go back in with some white. Let's do this green. This green's kind of thick, but it was mixed already with some runoff. So I'm not going to do anything else to that. I'm just going to let that go. Alright. Let's do some of it. Sorry, I'm going to come from this side so you don't see my arm. Let's do that. And I believe I'm going to take my stick and pull a little bit like that. It does look a little thick, doesn't it? Let's see what we get. Okay, we're going to pour this blue. Now it's starting to come out more. Let's go in with this darker teal. Not too bad so far. Let's just see. Some darker colors in there. Probably need to come in with some more white. It's definitely not coming out on this lower left-hand side, is it? Let's do more on that side right there. I want it more organic, but it's not flowing quite the way I wanted it to. Probably because I don't have this balance on the paint can, which is ridiculous, but here I go, flying by the seat of my pants. Alright, let's put some darker colors back in. This may be just one giant catastrophe, but let's just see. Okay. Go light blue. Some more green. Sorry about the arm. Wish I had some black mixed up, something a little bit darker. Let me see what I have. I do have a darker blue. Let me give that a swirl with my paint stick. Oh, it's not that dark. Let me see. I've got some navy right here. Squirt that in. It's interesting so far. That's definitely not dark blue. The dark must have come to the top, and when I stirred it up, it's more of a light color. Let's see if this is loose enough to, doesn't look very loose. I know that's too thick, but if I pour a little white on top of that, let's see what we get. Especially when that dries and continues to flow out. I've lost all shapes of my petals. I mean, you can kind of see where it's broken up, but not really. So I'm not super thrilled, but let's torch these petals down here and see if I can't bring out some colors. I love that, but I'm not too excited about it. Oh well, as an experiment for sure, and we really don't know what's going to happen once everything finishes flowing. I know everybody's yelling at me, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Okay, not really excited. We're going to have to do this again with fresh paint because I think the mixture, where it had been sitting there for days and days and days, not too thrilled about it. Let's give this a little pull right there. Yeah, go ahead and tip that off the paint can, Kim. Alright, let me wipe my hands and I'll give you guys a close-up, which of course, a lot of the times it looks different after you're done than when you actually pour. So, it's not too bad. Let's see if we can't zoom in. So as far as my phone will zoom in, not too bad. I mean, it doesn't have the shape like Miriam's did, but I did not do exactly like she did, of course. But alright, we're going to try this again with some freshly mixed paints and see how it goes.